Dear viewers, today we will discuss very important topic related to geometry, circle. Today our topic is circle. First of all, we will read about what is circle. A circle is a fundamental geometric plane shape that has points that are evenly spaced from one another. It is also referred to as a simple closed curve. A circle divides the area into two parts, a place inside and outside door. I will show shape of sample after this. Technically speaking, the latter is referred to as a disk and the circular is the former. In everyday speech, the term circle can be used to describe both the exterior and interior of a figure depending on the context. This is the shape of circle. You can see that from center every point is equal distance. Every point has equal distance. You can see that center, this is the center, and D, C, B, A have the equal distance from center. Describe the terms in circle. Here we will discuss these things in a circle. This is the sector. This is the sector of a circle. This is the center of a circle. This is the arc. You can see that this is the arc. Part of arc is the part of circumference. Okay. This is the segment of a circle. This line is called segment of a circle. This is chord. You can see that chord of a circle. Radius. From center any distance is called radius. Diameter. Diameter. A line through a line touch both sides of a circle and passing through the center is called diameter. This is the segment of a circle. This when a line touch one point of a circle externally is called tangent. Here we will discuss arc. Any portion of the circle's border is an arc. Chord. A line section whose ends are located on a circle. Secant, it's a straight line that splits the circular in two. It is a chord that is stretched. Sector, a area enclosed by an arc extending between two radii. Segment, an area circumscribed by an arc positioned between the chords and points and a chord. Tangent, a single pointed straight line that crosses the circle. The circle is a significant geometric form that is employed in many mathematical disciplines, including geometry, trigonometry, calculus, and physics. Its characteristics make it valuable in a variety of industries, including engineering, building, and design.